Meanwhile, with the parliamentary opposition refusing to extend the state of emergency, the government may be forced to declare another one. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the hint today at the JLP's Central Executive meeting.
Now, the question has been asked, why not call another state of public emergency? That has to be considered carefully. I would say it is not off the table, but we will consider it very carefully. If circumstances give rise to it, if we see that our resources are stretched.
Under the current SOEs, which expire at midnight on Monday, 300 persons were detained. Mr. Holness said the roughly 50 persons who are still in custody will be released. Intelligence suggests they are violence producers with strong connections to criminal networks.
These are the persons who are likely to cause the murder rate to rise once again. We can't have a policeman in every district, at every home where we suspect they live. But we're going to do our best. In addition to keeping track of those that we did not get into custody, to keep this murder rate down during the Christmas season.
Turning to the regulations governing the SOEs, the Prime Minister insists the government took note of the concerns raised by the opposition.
The substantial points would have also been considered, and where they met our policy position, we incorporated them. Where they did meet our policy position, the government said, well, respectfully, we understand what you are saying, but we believe our policy position is correct.
He adds that the government and opposition agreed on aspects of the draft bill for enhanced security measures, but they disagreed on the power of detention. The redrafted bill is expected to be tabled in January.